We trim the names to remove the spaces, convert the trimmed data into a text string, split the text string on space for the column delimiter and comma space for the row delimiter. We use xmatch to find the position of the first NA in each row, and subtract 1 to find the position of the last name in each row. Wrap it in by row to make sure that it's applied to every row. Then we stack everything before the last name with everything after the last name and the last name at the end. Define the first few steps in a let function. Convert the remaining steps into a row function that will process a single row, and use the vstacker to apply that function to each row in the array. To get the stacker namespace, go to gist.github.com, search for my username and the file name containing the word stacker. This is the gist that you want. Copy the URL. In Excel Labs, in the advanced formula environment, click this button, paste the URL, click import, and now you have the functions. Don't forget to click save and you are ready. If you want to know how vstacker works, go to YouTube, find my channel, which is Flex Your Data, and find this video abstracting a common reduce vstack pattern.